Konbanwa. Good evening, chefs. It is I, Loki the Mad Titan, and we're back again. Just finishing up the chicken pot pie soup. I accidentally did not plan out enough time. It's only given me like 12 minutes, and apparently that wasn't enough time. So the soup is done. The soup is done. Now you might say, Loki, I'm not feeding 50 people. I don't need 9 quarts worth of soup. And that's fair enough. That is fair enough. I always make massive amounts of things when I make things, especially soups and chilies and things like that. But I like to make it in bulk so that way we have it for a while. And I also like the fact that the price of this, that's something I didn't talk about earlier, is very, very affordable. Honestly, with everything that's in here, you can see how hearty it is with all the different ingredients. Somebody's getting a bay leaf to start off with. And my son, Alex the Super Scientist, is going to have some as well. And you know what I forgot to do? It's funny as it is. I forgot to add the peas. You know, I thought about that. So as funny as it is, that's how easy it was. Literally not even 5 minutes. Got a little bit on my thumb. Tastes good. So now you see the peas are there. And they add that beautiful pop of color. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to cover. My son came in. He's not eaten this the last couple times that I've made it. And Alex, what did you say? What did you say about it? You think it was great? That's. I'm gonna try the peas though. Well, trust me, the peas are not gonna kill you.
Yeah, it's not like garlic to a vampire.
Not like garlic to a vampire. No, it's not. And then you're just gonna, if you accidentally get the bay leaf in, like the bay leaves in there, you just pull it out. But again, very affordable meal. This will last us at least 4 or 5 days. You could eat with some Ritz crackers, some bread and butter, but it's just absolutely delicious. I wish you could smell it. All right, and that's it. Chicken pot pie soup, dump soup, 9 quarts, done. With that being said, I bid you adieu, goodbye, and good night, chefs. Thank you so very much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good night.